Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a AI terminal coding agent which is completely free and unlimited. It's called as FreeCoder. The address is freecoder.space. I've also given the link in the description of the video. So once you land on this landing page, simply it's in beta phase, so FreeCoder beta. And they have said inside their website that they are completely free and unlimited AI coding agent. You can launch it from terminal, and the instruction to install this is very simple. If you are on Windows, simply copy this command and you just need to open PowerShell and simply execute this command. I have already done that. As you see, it's just 155 megabytes. So it's already installed inside my system. So you will get this notification that FreeCoder installed successfully. So once it gets installed, you go to the directory wherever you need to develop your application. So let me go to the folder and just open it inside VS Code. So this is completely free and unlimited. There is no restriction. It's a great alternative to tools like Claude, Codex. So let me just open it inside VS Code. So we will build out some applications. I will show you how to use it. And now to start this, it's very simple. You go to the terminal, simply write free coder, and as soon as you write free coder, you will see that the AI terminal coding agent will start. It also have the web interface as well. You can directly open it at the localhost 3733. So automatically it opens in the web browser as well. So right here you enter your name, and then either you can use it on the terminal or you can use it in the browser as well. So the interface looks very simple to all the terminal agents. So let's suppose I simply say I want a image to PDF web app in browser. So from here you select the model. So at this moment it's provided DeepSeek, which has 200,000 context limit. So you select the model. Here you can even select a project as well. So it's a new project. It has three modes. Either you can build, auto, or plan. So we'll stick to the build option. So right here you can even select your directory as well, project directory. So let me just select my project directory, which is so I send this request. So you can see that I send this request. Now the AI model will start developing the application. So currently, as you see, the directory is empty, but you will see the file will get created for you. So it will build out a image to PDF web application, and it divided into three steps. First of all, it will initialize the project, create the main application, verify the application works. So this is a really good alternative to Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and Antigravity. If you're looking forward for a free and unlimited alternative, FreeCoder is the one to go. And if you do want to, as you see, automatically the instructions are quite simple. I've shown you how to set it up. It's quite easy. It directly runs in the browser locally once you open FreeCoder. So these are the files which will get created. You can simply click the files button. It will open it in the right hand side corner of the screen. It also shows you, once you click on the individual file, it also shows you the content of the file right here. So it has its own code editor as well. Directly in the browser you will see all the files, and right here as well in VS Code, as you see, this is your package.json file. So once it completes, you will get a notification that all the files have been successfully created. And then you can even ask follow-up questions as well. You can click the stop button by clicking this button right here. This is the context review section as well. You can create a GitHub repository directly from here. So now it is creating the main application in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the second step that it is on. So just wait for it to complete. So it doesn't take too much time because it's actually using the free and unlimited model, which is this one. So I think the index HTML file has been created. You will see that this is the content that it has created. If you directly open this application, the application will look something like this. So you can see that now it has created all the files for you. So it also gives you the description. To open the file, simply double click and so this is your application image to PDF. Very basic application, but you can create complex applications as well. So if you do want to create, so you can just type any kind of prompt here. Top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. So you can, so this ad will come in between because it's completely unlimited and free. They actually show you ads. You simply click on continue, and as you see, we ask top 10 frameworks. So it gives you the top 10 frameworks. It did some research. So essentially, it's using this DeepSeek, it providing you this free and unlimited model. So if you're looking forward for a terminal coding agent directly runs locally inside your machine, definitely try this FreeCoder AI model, AI terminal coding agent. I've shown you the instructions how to get started. Definitely, it's free and unlimited, as they say. No subscription, no usage limits, no credit card. Everything is free and unlimited. So definitely check this out.